Good morning. Bastien May from BVN Real Estate. We are here checking a new house, new home, not occupied yet, of 3 bedrooms. So it has a large living room. We have the entrance door in front of us with a sofa and TV area, dining table, and the kitchen has like a Iceland bar. Is equipped on the good standard with large fridge, stove, oven with 4 fire, the white ceramic. And then we have 3 bedrooms, 2 sharing 1 bathrooms, and the master room. What we'll do is we go first on the side and we go to see the garden and the pool. So on my back there is a second entrance to the property, entrance to the kitchen and living room area, and here our pool area, social area, miss a barbecue, some sofa to enjoy. Small pool but cheap maintenance like this, doesn't need much, and then you go to the beach if you need. And we go accessed by the master room that has ceiling fan, the closet in front of me, and his own bathroom. So grey ceramic, a glass, I'm here you see, the toilet, shower, no stairs there, it's on 1 floor. So it's very convenient. It's a turnkey house, live or put it for rent. Owner is just wishing to sell. So we have our access, we come back on the main room, the toilets over there, the bathroom, so guest bathroom and also share bathroom between the 2 bedrooms. Bedrooms also I equip all of them, you see, with the closet. So nice home for families with 2 kids, for example, a couple with 2 kids or people that need 1 office. And the 3rd bedroom has been not furnished yet. So you have the closet, ceiling fans, curtains, etc., but no bed. So it comes with what you see, the furnitures. So include the fridge, all the cabinets for kitchen, tables with chairs, include the sofa. It has 2 parking space, 2 parking lots at the entrance. And another terrace area, for example.